man, where is this boy now? You are there and I am doing work there and you are there doing people. Come this side, my friend. Come this side, come this side. This is brake disc. This is brake disc. And this is caliper. So which can be Tulike again? Brake disc.
Je ne comprends pas bien mon chef. Je ne comprends pas.
Atalama funa workshop ponka. Atalama funa workshop ponka. Which can praprase? I said brake disc. And this is caliper.
You're fatigued.
Oh, you can bring me 13 for this spanner.
You're fatigued.
Can bring me 13 spanner.
J'arrive, attends.
Hey, Atalama. Saku, bra. Which kind of language is this one?
Voilà ça.
Jesus. 13, 14 spanner. Now you the bridge screwdriver.
C'est ça ici, non? C'est ça, non? C'est ça.
Voilà ça.
Oui, voilà ça, non? C'est ça.
No, not screwdriver, but screwdriver. 14 spanner. 13, 14 spanner. Go and bring it. Jesus. Jesus. 13, 14 spanner. Praprase.
Good evening.
Praprase. Madam.
Have you fixed my car?
Madam, no verse. Now this is my brother where they learn work here. Now French they speak in no verse. 2 hours. Within 2 hours. You see what you do? We are doing customers work. We are doing customers work.
I'll be back later.
You'll be back later.
Please,
thank you, madam. No verse. Just 2 hours time, eh? Oh, you can bring that hammer. Let us quickly complete this one and fix this one. Oh, yeah, go. Praprase. Which kind of language is this? Praprase. I wonder. Hammer. Is this one hammer?
Tu déranges-moi bien.
Hey!
Pas comme ça, non?
Toujours rajima. Oye qu'on a rapa bikom. Toujours rajima. Oye qu'on a rapa. Toujours rajima. I say hammer. Not toujours rajima. Rajina. Hammer.
Ça, j'ai travaillé.
Oh, yeah. Look. Hammer. Oh, yeah. Take. Come. I want you to assist, knock this thing small so that.
Ouais, c'est quoi?
Just hit it small so that I go back more.
Mon patron là, tu le ranges-moi bien.
Tout c'est rajima. Hit this thing so that we quickly fix this thing.
Please, sir. I'm going. I'll be back later.
Okay. All right. Please, don't be angry. Don't be angry.
It's fine.
Don't be angry. So, oh yeah. Please, hold this thing and. To the rajima. Okujalamaka.